Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my first ever video on this channel. Today is a really good video today. We're opening Flash 7 packs. 10 packs, in fact. See, we have the 7,000 VC to open. Buy this real quick. And now look at that, boys. We've got the whole thing. Now let's open this thing. So this is our first pack. Can we get a Galaxy Opal? First one's gonna be, oh, it's nothing, it's just Willie Corny Stein. Second one, again, just Damian Jones. Come on, let's get something good. Oh, we got a purple, we got an amethyst card. Let's open all, and now we're gonna open this one. Our first good card of the video. See who we get. Oh, it's Quee, I think. Yep, it's Quee from the Houston Rockets. I already have this guy, so I can just send him straight to the auction market. Well, we pulled our first, and it's not so bad. Next pack, we got a blue this time, and we actually got two players. We got Andre Drummond, and he has a dynamic goal. Next pack, let's see which one we get. Another blue. This time also a dynamic goal. Can we get a Galaxy Opal? That's what I really want. Oh, and another amethyst, and we got a green in there. Now let's flip all real quick. We got Jusuf Nurkic from the Trailblazers. Here we go, the amethyst. Another one yet again. Hopefully it's not Houston Rockets. Nope, it's Denver Nuggets. Center. I'm not sure who this could be because I haven't got Denver Nuggets. It's Nikola Jokic, and I actually needed this player. Those are our two best pulls so far. 4 more packs remaining. The next one comes along. Nothing good out of that one. Just another dynamic goal card. And the next one comes. Nothing good in this one either. This is very disappointing. Well, Alonzo Ball. I'm not checking out the other things. I'm just looking out for Galaxy Opals. In this one, we just get golds too. And this is the final pack. It's a pink diamond. Flip all, and now here we go. The pink diamond. I know who I want it to be. Charlotte Hornets. I think it's the one I wanted. Power forward. Yes, it is. It's Larry Johnson. Oh, and what a pull. It's been disappointing the whole time, except from the two amethysts. Let's go. Now, we either have a choice. Oh, he's a dynamic duo card with Patrick Ewing, who's a buzzer beater card. I'm not sure if I'm going to actually pull that. So we could just get rid of Zhao Kui. You know what, yeah, let's open a spot. Here we go, boys. Let's hope we get something good out of our only last card of the game. And it's a green. How disappointing. We end this on a Lauri Markkanen. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any more video ideas, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Have a great day.